How to change phone number on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone. Now you have to open the app and you can see this is the desktop of your TikTok. Now we are going to know that how to change the phone number on TikTok. At the bottom you can see different options like home, friends, plus, inbox and the profile. Just you have to click on the profile icon. Whenever you click on the profile icon, this type of screen will appear here. At the right top corner there are three lines. Click on the three lines and at the bottom there is an option of settings and privacy. Click on the settings and privacy. Before changing phone number, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on the account which is present at the top and you can see there is an option of the account information. Click on it and here is an option of phone number. Whenever you click on it, you will see here there is an option of change phone number. Click on the change phone number and you can add your new phone number. Click on the send code that is appear here and code will be sent on your phone. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.